see, before una start to dey ask me anything, make una remember say, na draw we draw. We no lose. So make una show respect as una dey ask the questions.
Mourinho, people dey talk say dem swear for una this season. Na him make una just dey lose points anyhow. Wetin you get to talk about them?
Nothing like that. No swear fit work for Man U. No be the same Wolves draw with Man City for Etihad. Make una no dey ask me mumu questions so. Wolves na stubborn team. They go collect points from Chelsea and Liverpool join. They watch na, una go see.
As Sir Ferguson come Old Trafford watch match, him talk say him no fit recognize the Man U. Say change don't touch am. And to say Old Trafford don't lose dignity as relegation teams they can't change am for Man U for Old Trafford.
Na dignity dem dey use carry trophy. Who dignity help? And make I tell you, that time and now no be the same thing o. Now all relegation teams for EPL don chop winch. You no fit collect points on top their head anyhow. E no dey work like that again.
People they talk say,
Oya, you don't do haba. I say make you ask questions. You dey tell me, people they talk say. I no ask you wetin people they talk.
As Chelsea don learn this their new Sarri ball now wey dem dey use possess ball pass their opponent. How una wan take score them if una no see ball play?
Now today we see that kind ball. If them like make them possess 90%, that small 10%, we go take am score them 3 goals.
Stamford Bridge go fall for we hand.
Every team now dey fear to jam Liverpool. As na dey go play them now for this their current form. How you feel say the match go be?
We know they fear them. Whether na liver or na winch then shop, any which way, we go end their 100% record this season.
Wetin dey give you that kind of assurance?
You know they see our Sarri ball? They give us assurance past Shioma.